In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop fake clicks in Google Ads prevent invalid clicks. If you've ever seen sudden spikes in clicks that don't turn into leads or sales, you might be dealing with invalid or fake clicks. Google does a lot to automatically filter these, but you'll get the best protection when you regularly review your data and build a simple report that surfaces suspicious activity. I'll walk you through that now. Start by going to Google Ads. Once you're in your account, make sure you're looking at the right date range at the top of the interface. Using the last 7, 14, or 30 days will help you spot trends without getting overwhelmed. Small advertisers might prefer a longer range to see enough data. Next, click Campaigns. This view gives you the high-level performance of each campaign, which is useful context before you dig deeper. Look for unusual patterns like rising clicks with flat conversions, sudden jumps in cost, or a dramatic change in click-through rate. Those are signs to investigate, but don't draw conclusions yet. Seasonality and new creatives can also cause shifts. Now, click on Insights and Reports. This is where you can move beyond surface-level metrics and build something that reliably flags invalid activity. In this section, you'll be able to break down performance by dimensions like device, network, location, and hour of day, which is key for spotting patterns that don't make business sense. From here, click Create Report. A table report is perfect for ongoing monitoring. When you build it, include columns like clicks, cost, conversions, and especially invalid clicks or invalid interactions if they're available in your account. Add breakdowns by device type, network, search versus display, location, and time of day. These segments help you see if, for example, most clicks are coming late at night from regions you don't serve, or if one device type is driving disproportionate clicks with no conversion value. You can also compare date ranges to see whether a suspected pattern is new or persistent. As you review the report, focus on consistency. Legitimate promotions often cause broader lifts across metrics, while invalid activity tends to show sharp spikes from specific sources, times, or locations. Document what you see and save the report so you can revisit it weekly. This makes it easy to catch issues early, and it also provides a clear history that supports any conversations with Google about potential invalid activity. Remember, Google automatically credits some invalid clicks, but your report helps ensure nothing slips through. That's it. By visiting campaigns, navigating to insights and reports, and creating a focused report, you'll put a practical system in place to detect and prevent fake clicks before they drain your budget.